13, 14, and 15. I think those all have the instructions to write an expression that represents each scenario and then answer the question. I think that might even go on, to 16, 17, and 18. So for those questions, write an expression and then answer the question. Okay, so number 13 is done for you. I'm going to talk you through how they got their answer so you can see how to do the rest. Tommy is purchasing items from an online store. The store charges $6 shipping and handling for each package. Write an expression to represent the total shipping costs. So here, this is the important part of the word problem to help us do the first. This next question we can save until we need to answer the question. So let's focus on these two sentences. Okay, Tommy is purchasing items from an online store. The store charges $6 shipping and handling for each package. Write an expression to represent the total shipping costs. So first thing you need to do is you need to say, well, what's my input variable? The store charges $6 shipping and handling for each package. So it's the packages that are my input. The amount of the total shipping costs depends on how many packages you have. So I'm going to say X equals number of packages. Okay, once I identify what my input is, what that output depends on, that's going to help me relate the two. So if I say I've got a certain number of packages, how much is my shipping cost going to be? Now, some of you might just jump right to 6x, right? Oh, I just need to multiply. But if you're having trouble with that, especially with some deeper ones, you can go back to the idea of a table. You don't have to make a table, but if it helps. So if I have one package, how much is that going to cost me? 6. If I have 2 packages, how much is that going to cost me? 12. 3 packages, 18, right? Now start skipping. What about 10 packages? Well, 10 packages would be $60, right? Once you skip, you can kind of see what you need to do to get from here to here. To get from here to here, you have to multiply by 6 every time. Multiply 1 by 6, multiply 2 by 6, multiply 3 by 6, multiply 10 by 6. So if I have an x here, if I have an x, then I multiply that x by 6, and that is my expression right there. That's what I care about. F of x equals 6x. Okay, so when you do this, if you can't come up with the expression just from reading through the word problem, try the table method to see if you can figure out what needs to be done to this number to turn it into that number. So now we're into the second part, answer the question. The question here, how much will Tommy pay in shipping and handling for 2 packages? Well, as it turns out, we actually already answered that with the table, $12, right? But if you were the person that went straight from, okay, this expression is 6x, I can just tell, what you would do is what they did here. You would take 2 and plug it in for x. And 2 times 6 is 12. So the cost for 2 packages is $12.